Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the flask is empty and dry. This protects you and the adhesive. Remove the cap and gasket, then inspect seams and base under a bright light to find the leak or crack. If you see only a dent, you can proceed with mechanical reshaping. If there is a hairline crack or seam gap, plan for bonding with food-grade epoxy. Meanwhile, set up a ventilated workspace and heat water for later pressure tests. This gets you moving quickly and safely. Once done roughening and cleaning the area, mix the food-grade epoxy exactly as the label directs. Accuracy matters for bond strength. Apply a thin bead into the crack, then press the metal edges together. Use a small clamp or tape to hold alignment while the initial set occurs. Make sure to smooth excess epoxy with a solvent-dampened tool before it cures so you preserve the interior finish. If the seam needs more structure, consider professional welding. Do not attempt high-heat brazing unless you have TIG experience. After the epoxy cures fully, sand the repair flush with surrounding stainless using 120 then 220 grit, then polish to restore appearance and reduce corrosion risk. Refit a new food-safe silicone gasket and hand-tighten the cap. Fill with warm water and observe for 5 to 10 minutes while tilting to check hidden leaks. If you still get seepage, make sure the surface was clean and the epoxy fully cured. If problems continue, repeat the bonding step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.